Question number 1 about this example. Number 1 here, he tell us third of 3 power 4. Third multiplication by 3 power 4. It will be 3 power 3. Because 3 power 1 it will be 3 power negative 1 times 3 power 4. The result will be 3 power 3. Question number 2. If the number of x2 was 4 and the number x Cartesian product with y was 6, then he won't find number of y2. We know number x2 equal 4, then the number of elements in x equal 2. And number Cartesian product, the order in Cartesian product between x and y equals 6, then number of element of y it will be 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6. Then number of y2 it will be 3 times itself, it will be 9. The result here will be 9. Okay. Next example, number 3. We have interval open 4 and 6, intersection by 4 and 6. He wants to find the intersection between intervals and point. We know 4 and 6 not belong to this interval, then the intersection between them it will be null set phi. If we draw 4 to 6, it's opened, and draw them here, we have 2 points here, we have intersection between two numbers here, then the result will be null set, it will be phi. Okay, question number 4. If x and y and z are continuous progression, then x equal what? We can write x over y continuous, it will be y over z. Then we can write y times y power 2. We used the property product of extremes equal product of means. Then y will be equal positive or negative square root of xz. Okay. Number 5. Cubic root of 64 equal square root of space. Cubic root of 64 it will be 4. 4 equal square root of 16. Then we must write here 16. Question number 6. Number 6. If all values are equal, then x bar will be 0, and we can write sigma here. We can find x bar, sum of all numbers divided by the numbers. We have sigma will be equal 0 about this question. Question number 6. The result will be letter D. Okay, choose letter D. Question number 2. If x equal set of 2 and 1, and y equal set of 4 and 0, and z was equal 4, 5 and negative 2, we want to find Cartesian product between x and y. Write 2 and 1, Cartesian product with y, 4 and 0, then the first order it will be 2 and 4, and then 2 and 0, and then 1 with 4 first order, and 1 with 0. Okay, it's Cartesian product between x and y. Question number 2. X or y intersection with z, Cartesian product with set of x. We can find the intersection between x and y here. The intersection between them here, we haven't any similar numbers. The result will be phi, null set. Okay, Cartesian by x it will be null set phi, because we haven't a number between x and z, but he won't find it was x or y it was y and z. Okay, y and z, the intersection between them equal 4. Cartesian product with x, 2 and 1. You can write orders 4 and 2 and 4 and 1. Okay, 4 and 2 and 4 and 1. Last question here, number 3. I want number of order in y2. Y here 2 digits, 2 power 2, it will be 4. The result here will be 4 about this example. Question letter B. Find the number which, if subtracted from the first term with the ratio 15 and 13 and 8 to the second term of them, it will become 3 over 4. Okay, we have 15 over 13 ratio, which the number will be x. If we added this number from second and subtracted from the first, the ratio will be what? Will be 3 over 4. Right, Cartesian. Here product of extremes equal product of means. 3 times by 13 plus x and 4 times 15 minus x. 3 times 13 will be 39 and 3 times x will be 3x.